Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joy and you're watching my YouTube channel Joy Tech. Today in this very short tutorial I will tell you how you can add threads to your Instagram bio. This is a very simple thing to do, but if somehow you really don't know how to fix this, then keep watching this full video and after that you will all know how to add your threads to your Instagram bio. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, open your threads account. Tap at your profile. Tap at share profile. Copy the link of your profile. Go back. Open your Instagram account. Now tap at your profile. Now tap at edit profile. Under the bio you can see a option links. Simply tap at here. Now tap at plus sign, add external links. Now paste your link at here. Give the title. Tap at done. Now go back. Again tap at done. A page my screen you can see my threads account has been entered in my Instagram bio. Like this you can also edit your threads account to your Instagram bios. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. And finally, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.